my letter F. Can you help me find it? F for frog. F for flower. F for fox. F for fish. F for fan. Yay! We found letter F. Can you say all 5 F words? Follow for letter G adventure.